This right here is my total earnings for a tool called lingoblaster.com, which has turned my views from this to this in just a couple of months. So since I proved that this tool works and helps you dominate page 1 for any niche with just 3 clicks, by simply translating all of your videos and content to every single language in the world to help you reach a much wider and foreign and global audience. I decided to start my journey in promoting this tool as an affiliate, which over here I've earned a total of over $6,600 from promoting this product so far. Hundreds and hundreds of good reviews for this product. In today's video, I'm going to show you my automated affiliate marketing system that I use to promote this particular affiliate product that has generated me over $6,000 online. I'm going to give you my exact templates, all of my free content, all of my free strategies in this most simple step-by-step formula and step-by-step system in today's YouTube video. I could honestly take this information and charge it in an easily $300 to $400 course, but I'm going to be dropping this for free on YouTube for you guys to watch today. So I really recommend, if you want to make money online with affiliate marketing and this specific product that I've been promoting, make sure to watch this video until the end and focus on each and every step that I'm going to be explaining to you in today's video. But without further ado, let's not waste any time and get straight into it. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, we are specifically going to be focusing on lingoblaster.com, which is a tool that I've personally used for my YouTube channel to blow up my own views, tested and proven, which I also promote as an affiliate, which I've earned over $6,000 online. The landing pages, the checkouts, the payment systems to your account is already set up and made for you. All you need to do is copy and paste exactly what I'm going to say in this video. So let's dive straight into my PC, not waste any time, and get straight into this. Firstly, come over to a website called jvzoo.com, which is a website that will instantly connect you to businesses with millions of paying products and top performing affiliate products around the world. I'm talking about done for you softwares, done for you websites, done for you funnels, done for you digital products. Payment systems already made for you, available for you to go and promote. This website is honestly a hidden gold mine on the internet, ready for money to be made online. So what you need to go and do is, in order to go and get started, is click on start for free on the top right hand side. You go and create your account, you enter all of the information on this page, which I'll quickly go through with you. Is your full name, email address, password, and your country. Click on register. You'll see over here it is accepted in every single country in the world. You can scroll through all of this and you'll be able to sign up. Once you've signed up, you need to click on login and log in with your existing account. So once you've signed in, your dashboard is going to look something like this. If you come over to affiliates, on the affiliates tab on the left hand side of the menu bar, click on find products and you'll be able to go and find any affiliate product on this website to go and promote. For example, Content Genie, which is an affiliate product tool where people can go and mass generate content such as videos, AI videos, thumbnails, descriptions, etc. at the click of a button. And you can become an affiliate for this tool, which you will earn a commission of $14.48 every time you sell this conversion. The exact product you need to go and search for is go and click on the filters button over here. For your keyword, go and search Lingo Blaster. Just as is on the screen, click on search. Lingo Blaster 2 will then pop up where you'll see you will earn a conversion or a payment of $28.91 every time you refer someone to this product. What you will need to go and do is, you'll see I've got the option called get link because I'm already approved for this product, but you will need to go and click on request approval and you need to do the following. Under here, you need to go and enter a message and request approval. What you want to go and do is, under your message, just go and mention, I am running an Instagram ads campaign. I'd like to include this product in my campaign. Therefore, I request my affiliate link. Then click on request approval and you will get approved within just a couple of hours, maybe a day or two. But once you've got your affiliate link, you click on get link. Your unique affiliate link will look like this. If I go and paste this in a new tab, you will see it will take me straight to the landing page of this product, which is now connected to my personal JVZoo account. So when anybody checks out with this tool, makes a payment, I get my commission of about $30 straight away. Now that we understand our affiliate products and we've got our affiliate link, This is the most important step, how to actually go and get sales with this. Firstly, come over to a website called idplr.com, where we are going to go and find free YouTube courses and PDF documents to go and give free value. So the number one way, and the most untalked about way and strategy that affiliate marketers don't tell you, is a unique marketing and psychological trick called jab, 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 hook. This is a big thing that Gary Vee talks about. If you naturally give, and you naturally give away free value, and you keep giving, and keep giving, you will eventually get back, because you've built such a good relationship with those people that you've been giving to. They will not mind at all by giving back. So what you need to go and do is come over to idplr.com. Just go and search on the search bar YouTube or content. I'm going to go and specifically search YouTube. That's what I recommend you do. And you will see over here, once this term searches up, you will find courses and ebooks regarding creating successful YouTube content. For example, Video Marketing Domination, which is an entire course that explains to you how to dominate your YouTube channel and to build a presence in the YouTube space in your specific niche. There's another ebook over here called The Master YouTube Influencer, which teaches you how to become a YouTube influencer. Many other courses over here, such as a modern vlogging course, YouTube Authority video upgrade, and all sorts of ranking your channel with YouTube SEO. So there are all sorts of free courses that we can go and use with this. So specifically, I'm going to go and use YouTube Authority over here. I'm going to use this ebook, and I'm going to go and download this to my PC. So what you'll need to do is just log in with your account. It's completely free to sign up, and you will be able to download this for free on your first sign up. So once I've signed in, I can now refresh this page, and you'll see over here, if I click on download, this will now download to my PC, which is a total size of 36 megabytes. Once this PDF is downloaded to your PC, it will look like this in zip format. Right click on it, click on WinRAR, and click on extract files. And over here, you will see, if you come over to the YouTube Authority page, you've got your ebook over here, which you can go and open up with your browser or whatever you'd like, or whatever PDF tool you have. And you'll see over here, the entire PDF is now done for you. What we need to go and do is we need to go and edit this PDF and plug in our affiliate product of Lingo Blaster. So in order to go and do that, come over to Google and just go and search PDF editor online, or just PDF editor. I'm going to go and use the first link over here called seja.com. I honestly use this website a lot. Go and upload your PDF. Let's just come over to the PDF page or ebook. Double click on it, it will then open it up in a page that looks like this, where we can add our own text, we can add all sorts of edits, such as links, images, forms, signatures, annotations, shapes, and many more. What you want to go and do is go and click on Insert Page over here, so we go and add a blank page. Come over to the sales page of Lingo Blaster, simply go and screenshot this page. I've got a screenshot key on my keyboard. You can just go over to Google and search free screenshot tool, come over to Paint, and you need to click on your keyboard, Control V, which is the shortcut for paste. Click on the crop tool on the left-hand side, click on rectangle, crop out this section with this video and this text, and click on crop. Now what you want to do is click on File, Save as JPEG Image, save this to your PC. I'm going to close this. I'm going to come back to my PDF editor. I'm going to click on Images, click on New Image. Again, go and upload that screenshot that we just took. What you want to do is just stretch this out to fit into the center of the page. And then over here, you want to go and click on Text and go and type the following. Watch a free webinar on how you can dominate the #1 page of YouTube in just 3 clicks. Then you need to go and click on links, go and highlight this entire picture and this entire text, so it makes this entire page one giant clickable link so that no one can miss it when they click on this link. Then come over to JVZoo and copy your affiliate link that you've received from Lingo Blaster. Come over to your PDF editor and paste your link under the link to external URL section and just click on enter. And finally, we can click on apply changes and our PDF will now be updated with our newly created page. So you'll see over here, let's just wait for this PDF to load. This is what your new PDF looks like. And take a look at this. If you click on this clickable video, it will take people straight through the link to my affiliate link, which will then take them to the landing page of this product, where if they check out, you will get your commission of $30 online. Step number 3 is getting this ebook out to thousands of people. So firstly, you can come over to a website called freeebooks.com, which is a free website where you can go and publish your ebooks. This website gets anywhere between 1 and 2 million visitors every single month. So this website will allow us to reach an audience, to potentially download our ebook, and to get sales. But make sure to keep watching, because I'm going to show you a trick that you can use to publish your ebook on over 70 websites at the same time in just 10 minutes. So you need to go and click on join for free or log in on the top right hand side over here. I'm going to log in with my existing account. Once you've signed in, click on publish on the menu bar on the top left hand side and simply go and enter your title, author's name, a short description, and the category. And this is all super easy because it's a matter of copy and paste. Come over to idplr.com where you've downloaded this ebook and you want to go and copy this. Go and copy the title and go and paste this as your title called YouTube Authority. Author's name, you can just put your own name. For the ebook description, go and copy this entire description over here. Right click, copy, paste this in the description section, and simply go and click on add ebook from computer, click on choose file, and you want to come over to the same folder where you've downloaded your new Authority YouTube guide that you have edited. Click on update. Keywords, you just want to go and type YouTube, doesn't really matter. Finally, click on upload, select your book type. I'm going to go and choose academic for your category. You want to go and search social media or sociology and go and click on upload. And this ebook will now publish on this website for people to go and download and potentially see your affiliate link. Click on that and make a purchase. So over here, you'll see this has now been submitted to a potential 1.5 million readers. What you can potentially do is, if you really want to shortcut this, is come over to fiverr.com, go and search ebook publish, and you can pay people a small amount of money, such as $5, to publish your ebook to more than 80 different websites. This person over here will format and publish your ebook onto the Amazon Kindle bookstore for just $10 at the click of a button. That's all you need to do is click on this gig and you can go and order the service from them, and your ebook has now been published on Amazon. This person is offering over 280 publishments on your ebook at just $10, which in my country is 182 Rand. So you can go and use any of these services on Fiverr to really shortcut this entire process. Or if you want to, you can go and use a website such as freeebooks.net to first get 1 or 2 sales and make that initial revenue, which you can reinvest into the services on fiverr.com that will absolutely blow up your ebook. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more specifically with affiliate marketing, different traffic strategies that you can use for this newly created ebook. I'm going to give you an entire program on YouTube completely for free with over 300 of my best affiliate marketing and traffic videos that I've created in the past 3 years on YouTube. So I've compiled everything into one simple playlist for you guys, which I've got on the screen over here, somewhere on the screen. And what I recommend is, if you want to master this and really get this ebook out there for tons of sales every single day, is go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.